Here's Treats, Cooper,
You're not going anywhere. Ow! Sorry! Ow. Is there ice?
This is Gemini's first time on a playground. Go down the slide. Go on, ready? Go! Whee! Oh, shoot! Okay. God, don't make me roll! Ow! God! Oh! Oh, mother! Oh, oh, let's do that. Wish I could have bounced away from my responsibilities like that human and his furry trampoline buddy. The art of fake biting food at its finest.
¡Ay, Miguel!
Now that we call a perk of being small.
Oh, he's going all the way. He's going all the way. No, 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 no. No, he's going to knock the box off. No, he won't. And he'll claw into my chair to get up there. Oh, no!
Are you ready, Ruth? Are you ready?